Hello, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me. I bought a thing. I did. What is that thing? Well, I'm going to unbox it here for you now, but I might have bought myself a new little microphone. It's a DJI Mic Mini. I have a microphone here, as you can probably see. I've got a Ulanzi, I think it's a WH10, and it's actually pretty good, but I still have to put a receiver in. I use a DJI Action 4 camera, and I'm just trying to make things a little bit easier. And so I bought this little microphone. I've only bought the single one. You can buy them in a pack of two. You can buy them in a pack of one with the receiver. The pack of two has the two microphones and the receiver that plugs in to your phone or your camera. But because I have the DJI Action 4, I can run this new microphone through Bluetooth, and so that's why I thought it would be quite handy. Anyway, let's get into the unboxing. We'll see what it looks like. All right, let's have a look. So I'll put that there. Open up the little packet. So I bought this directly from DJI because I've tried camera shops and places where they have said that they would have them and they've been out of stock, so I decided to buy it direct. So it comes with this little pouch. Oh, that's really sweet. I hope you can see all this. So what have we got? Oh, we've got the little wind muffs. Got a charging cord, a USB-A to USB-C charging cord, which is good. It's a great little pouch. We've got, oh wow, that's so tiny. The mic and the little charging dock and a gel thing. That's a really nice little pouch. It's got, I don't know if you can see it, it's a bit hard to see because it's black, but it's got two little pockets there, and it's got one here. That's a really lovely little pouch and little handle there. All right, so let's have a look. This is exciting. So that's the cord. That's boring. These are the little wind muffs. Get a black one and you get a grey one. Oh, they're so soft. Very sweet. Okay, this is the charging port, which, as you can see, is really tiny. I hope you can see that. I don't have great lighting in here. That's the little charging port. Very sweet, very little. And here is the mic itself. Wow, that's tiny. So it would be maybe an inch square. Let me get my little, I have a ruler, funny enough. So centimeters, it's 2.5 by 2.5. So in American talk, that would be an inch. And it's also got the little, oh wow, that's really tight, a little magnet to put on the back, and the little clip. So that, oops, I'm going to throw it around, do I? Oh, that's a really strong magnet. That's really awesome. So that sits in there magnetically, I might add. It's very strong too. You plug your USB-C into there and plug that into your charging port. And that can just sit. That's brilliant. I really like it. Okay. Put that away. Get rid of all of this stuff. Now the wind muffs, I'll use the grey one because you can see a little bit better. They've got clips. They've got little dots there and a clip. So the dots that are on here, I'm guessing that just clips, and it's got little holders there. So that just goes in and clips on, just like that. Now, let's turn it on. Maybe, oh no, the light's on. I'll take this off. Maybe I won't. I'll take that off so we can see what's going on. So that's the top of the mic there. We've got a green light flashing. And that's all there is. There's nothing much to it, but this is obviously your link button to link it to your Bluetooth. So let's try that. Let's give that a go. So we pull down from the top. We've got our settings there. And we scroll down till we find wireless mic. Comes up with the transmitter. And we press this button here until we get a blue and green like we've got there now. Hopefully that will pair it. It's connected. That was so easy. So here we are. That's the little DJI mic mini. Now I'm going to quickly switch over to from the Ulanzi mic to the DJI. We'll see what the sound difference is, if there's any sound difference. Okay, so the audio now is coming through the DJI mic mini. I hope it sounds okay. I'm guessing it will if it's up. It sounded okay. So it's tiny. Like I said before, it's about 1 inch square, so it's very little. It has a wonderful magnet on the back that you can just clip on. I won't do that at the moment. It also has, with the link button, you can use that to start and stop your videos. So that just makes it that much easier if you're not next to the camera, that I can just press that and start talking. And I know that it's going to record. So I love it. It's got a nice little bit of weight, but it's not heavy. It's not going to drag down too much on your collar or on your clothing. Yeah, that's it. So from now on, this is what I'll be using. I'm going to keep the Ulanzi just in my bag because it will come in handy. I will be able to use it on the phone. I can use that on the computer because it has the USB-C dongle or the receiver. So I can actually use that on my computer for any voiceovers that I need to do or would like to do. So it's still quite a good little microphone. So thank you so much for watching the video. Really appreciate it. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye.